Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jimmy and
Lola.
So today we will be making slime. I got the clear glue
And I'm using this glitter glue that is gold.
So we're gonna use about a quarter of the cup here. So take off the lid and then pour it in. Is that about a cup? No.
Maybe a little bit more.
That seems good. Yeah, that seems good.
Yeah, that seems
So, close my lid,
Just go.
and then
I'm gonna close it.
we will be using baking powder.
Next,
A half tablespoon of baking powder.
so it will dissolve.
Baking soda. So we just mix it until it all dissolves.
And then we would add the
Looks like
activator.
It's like going into slime.
Yeah. Next, we are going to add the activator once we are done.
Oh my god. Okay, I think I should add the activator.
It's all gooey. Cool.
It's all stuck to my stick. No.
Now we're gonna add this activator.
Activator.
And then like spray a little bit.
That works. I'm should have been using new one.
And we are gonna mix it
Yeah, that
until
works.
it comes into slime. Whoa.
Oh.
No! Mine's almost done. And then we're
I
gonna
think
touch
mine's
it.
putty.
You add a little bit too much.
Mine's putty.
Now Chase, can
Dang
you
it.
open this?
I gotta fail.
Well, it's better than nothing.
Ugh.
You can just try again.
It's good for squishing it though. Well, that one was a fail.
Let's see if mine was.
Guess we should try again, maybe.
And I'm gonna touch mine now. And I think it worked. Maybe. Do not know. It's maybe slime.
I have to start all over again.
Snap. Let's see. Oh, snap.
That seems good.
I see bubbles in this. Bubbles. It's working because you don't have any. If you can want to, you could add this. Or
So I'm gonna add some saline solution. Dang it, I put too much again.
if it's a fail, I can work next time.
Yeah, this is a fail again.
Just add it to this one. We'll see how it looks. Hey. Kind of not a fail. And I am
I
going
think
to
it's a fail.
do this.
Dang it.
And he's gonna start back all over.
Now I'm gonna use this black glitter glue.
And get everything off the sides.
Okay, so now we can see if this one works. some baking powder.
And then it's gonna dissolve.
Wait until it gets ready. You think it's time to put some saline solution in it?
Don't put too much.
So, gonna start off with 1, 2, 3 drops.
So we'll see if that works. Maybe add a couple more drops, like 2 more.
1 more drop. Oh, 2.
That should do it. And let's scrape off all the sides.
Oh no. So.
Now,
Think we should have got spoons.
maybe
Eh.
not. The stick's better, probably. I'm gonna make it pink.
Okay, so. And this one was a success.
Finally.
Finally, yes.
We're just gonna keep this one in case.
Yeah.
It might turn out after one night. And then toss it back.
Get all the extra stuff out in this container.
That's
Okay, I'm gonna go make some more black.
I'm gonna make a purple one this time. It's gonna be purple.
I actually think glitter glue is better than the clear glue.
Probably
'Cause- or I just added less saline solution. So let's do that.
it's gonna take forever.
Mix it up.
Maybe I should just take the lid off.
So yeah, probably. So just
And squirt. Oh,
dang it.
squirt.
Nice.
That should be enough. And then we'll see if mine is another success. So,
See if this is a fail or a success. Success.
don't know.
Mine seems like a success.
Hope it is.
It is. I did it.
Again. Another success of.
Oh no. I need more saline solution. Now we just mix it up.
And then I am going to add the saline solution. Let's see how this turned out. It's gonna come probably a success. Oh, there it goes. It's working.
Yay, it's picking all the slime off my
So
hands.
it's getting all gooey. Might be working. Yeah, see, it's coming off.
Mine was a success.
Mine was a success.
Mine was a success. I added it to my other black slime. So there's more. Yes. So that was a success. I'm happy.
So it will get all the stuff off the sides and it'll be bigger. Let's get it all off. And let's see. Oh, a little bit more.
And get all the stuff off the sides.
It should be. Let's see. Yeah, this should work. We'll see. Let's see. And it's a success. Do not know.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
Oh, mine is a success.
So, I'm gonna make red glitter glue. So, pour some of this in. That should be good. Red glitter slime.
Success.
I need the baking soda so it can dissolve. Get this. Get my new stick. Mix it up. So, got 2 now.
It was a success. Now I am going to use this pink.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some saline solution.
And we're done with the pink.
Seems like this one is a success.
And there we go.
Oh no,
Just,
I need more saline solution.
I think you do.
Activator.
And then I am going to mix it up so it can work. This might be another good one. Don't know.
Add a bit more saline solution.
And we're going to mix it up.
We'll see. So this one was another success. So yay!
That's a home run. And I'm gonna add a little bit more so it can get all the stuff.
Yay! 2 down.
2 down.
Okay, so
3 down.
I think we should end the video, but you have yours?
Yes, I do. See, it's pink.
Pink. I got this giant
Big one. That was kind of a fail, but it'll turn out.
Yeah. I got a black glitter slime and this one, which is pink. It was supposed to be red.
I have this gold one that turned out great.
Yeah.
A purple one that's really stretchy. And I have a pink one that's mixing up really good. See? Might be ready to come out. Let's see.
Okay, so yeah, this is like a satisfying ball thing.
We can put in a balloon and make probably a stress ball.
Yeah, so
We'll see that.
just have to watch her now. Her's still getting created.
Needs a little bit more activator.
Like,
Don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's sticky, all right.
yeah.
Whoa. And then we came out with this. And it's pink. There's glitter in it. And yeah. So we got that. Pink, blue. And there we go.
So I got 2 a success and 2 a fail. That was collided into 1. So
Yeah.
see you guys
It's
next
turned out.
week and bye.
Bye.